The low fuel pressure sensor monitors fuel rail pressure, sending data to the ECM for optimal combustion. A faulty sensor causes drivability issues like poor acceleration or stalling. Prioritize safety. Work in a ventilated area, disconnect the battery, and relieve fuel pressure. Essential tools include a multimeter for testing, torque wrench, fuel line disconnect tools, and the correct replacement sensor. To remove, first prepare the vehicle by parking on level ground and disconnecting the negative battery cable. Then relieve fuel pressure by cycling the ignition or using a tester. Disconnect the electrical connector and remove mounting bolts or clips, inspecting for corrosion. Never force connectors to avoid electrical shorts. Clean mating surfaces before installing the new sensor. Remove any dirt or debris from both the sensor and its mounting location. Lightly lubricate the O-ring on the new sensor. Install the sensor and torque to the specified value, typically 15 to 20 feet-pounds, to prevent leaks. Reconnect the wiring harness and secure it properly. Apply dielectric grease to the connections to prevent corrosion. Reconnect the battery and prime the fuel system. You may hear the fuel pump running as it builds pressure. Check for fuel leaks around the sensor area. Scan with an OBD2 tool to clear any diagnostic codes. Test drive the vehicle to confirm the new sensor is operating properly and there are no issues. Avoid misalignment, which can cause leaks and fuel pump overload. Remember, training and precision are key. Over-tightening or misalignment can lead to leaks and fire hazards.